In this video, we will practice some sentences used on daily basis or may be taken from past papers. Click on this link to watch the videos about parts of speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, and narrations. Let's start. First sentence. You used to shoot arrows in the dark. You used to shoot arrows in the dark. Second sentence. Don't shoot arrows in the dark. Third sentence is Asad, release my lapel. Asad, release my lapel. Fourth sentence is only thanks would not be enough. Only thanks would not be enough. Fifth sentence is you are born liar. You are born liar. Sixth sentence is you are so mean. You are so mean. Seventh sentence is I think you forgot your status. I think you forgot your status. Next. Sorry, Na'man fears. Sorry, Na'man fears.